Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that we are going to see Pi token listed on different exchanges. So in this video I am going to show you how we can move our Pi tokens from the Pi wallet to these three different exchanges. So let's start with the OKX platform. First is open your OKX wallet and then click the assets, click the deposit button and click deposit crypto, and then search Pi in the search bar. Then here just slide to continue, and then you can copy the address. Now let's switch to our Pi wallet. Click the wallet and then here unlock your wallet. So as you can see, I have some transactions here. So back in my Pi wallet, just going to show you my current balance. So it's 864 Pi tokens. Let's go back to my Pi wallet and I'm going to click the pay or request, and then you can also use QR code, but let's just select the manually add wallet. I'm going to send 1 Pi, and then here I'm going to paste the wallet address, click send, and then confirm. Now it's, as you can see, we have sent the 1 Pi. Now I'll go back to the OKX. If I'm going to refresh, it is now 865 Pi. And I can also see here the recent transaction. So that's it. Next is we have the Bitget platform. I am now on my Bitget account. So here, as you can see, we have the Pi USDT pair. So I'm going to click the assets, and then here we have different methods. So I'm just going to click deposit crypto, and then I'm going to use the search bar and search for Pi. So here, as you can see, we have the deposit address. I'm going to copy this one, and then going to switch to the Pi browser, and on my wallet I'm going to unlock. So I'm just going to wait. And then here I'm going to click the pay request, and then just manually add wallet address. For this I'm going to send 1 Pi, and then in the wallet address I'm going to paste that address. Memo, we don't need that one, just click the send, and then here need to review, and then click the confirm. So let's just wait for this one to finish. So here is the successful message. Let's close and let's switch back to our Bitget account. Now here, let's just refresh. So let's check our assets. Let's refresh. So let's just wait for the Pi to arrive. Let's just do a refresh of the page or the app. Let's check our spot. So it's still not here. Let's refresh again. So here is a message. So here is the 1 Pi that we sent. So it's still waiting for confirmation. So this requires 12 confirmations. So let's just wait. Refresh. It's still, as you can see, it is now successful. And if I'm going to go to our assets, refresh, should be in the spot section. So here, as you can see, we have 1 Pi available or balance in our Bitget account. So that's it. And finally, the gate.io. Hello everyone, so I'm in my Gate account, and as you can see, they have now the Pi USDT, although it's not yet available for trading, but we can now deposit our assets or the Pi token. So click on the assets, then here click the deposit, and then the on-chain method. Here in the search bar, just click or search for Pi, and as you can see, here is the address. We're going to copy this address and let us switch to our Pi wallet. Let's unlock. And then here, just click the pay request, and then click the manually add wallet address, then going to paste the address, and after that going to click the send. Sorry, I need to put the amount, so let's just send 1 Pi. Let's review and then click confirm. Let's wait for the successful message. Transfer succeeded. So now let us close and switch to our Gate.io. So here, let's go to our assets, and as you can see here, we have the 1 Pi balance in our account. So let's go to our assets or click that, and as you can see, I have 1 Pi deposited on my Pi account.